Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop your microphone from auto-adjusting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and it may be accompanying an error message that says that your microphone isn't working. Switch to a different device or try reconnecting this one. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to go ahead and select underneath other troubleshooters. Just go ahead and left click on that horizontal bar. And you want to go down to the recording audio troubleshooter. Go ahead and select run. On other versions of Windows 10, I believe might say speech troubleshooter. It should either say recording audio or speech. And you just would follow along with the on-screen prompts. Hopefully that would resolve the problem. If not, something else you can try here as well would be if you were to close out of here and open up the search menu, type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and you want to select sound. Select the recording tab, and then for microphone, go ahead and left click on that, and then select properties. Select the advanced tab again, and then underneath exclusive mode, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Go ahead and uncheck that. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select apply and OK. And one other thing we can do here as well, since we're still under sound, go ahead and select the communications tab. And underneath when it says when Windows detects communications activity, select do nothing. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select the apply and OK. And now let's go open up sound one more time. Now that we've saved that, go back to the recording tab, select your microphone and then properties. And now we're going to select levels. And you want to make sure your microphone is set up above 75 or 80%, I would say. So you see it's set to 96. So you can go ahead and adjust that higher up if you want. And that's pretty much it. So go ahead and select OK if you had to change that, of course. And like I said, not too much more to do there. That's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I don't believe you'd have to restart your computer. You should know right away if it's working or not. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.